Water pollution is a pressing global issue that poses significant risks to human health, ecosystems, and the environment. Various sources contribute to water pollution, including industrial activities, agricultural practices, inadequate sewage treatment, and improper waste disposal. 1. Industrial discharges. Industrial activities, such as manufacturing, mining, and power generation, release various pollutants into water bodies. These can include heavy metals, toxic chemicals, and organic pollutants, leading to contamination and degradation of aquatic ecosystems. 2. Agricultural runoff. The use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides in agriculture can result in runoff that carries these chemicals into nearby water sources. This runoff leads to eutrophication, harmful algal blooms, and contamination of drinking water supplies. 3. Municipal sewage and wastewater. Inadequate sewage treatment systems and improper disposal of wastewater contribute to water pollution. Untreated or poorly treated sewage can introduce harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens into water bodies, posing risks to public health. 4. Oil spills. Accidental oil spills, whether from shipping accidents, pipeline leaks, or offshore drilling operations, have devastating impacts on marine ecosystems. Oil spills can result in long-term contamination, harm marine life, and disrupt coastal economies. 5. Plastic pollution. Plastics, especially single-use plastics, are a major source of pollution in water bodies. They do not readily biodegrade and can persist in the environment for hundreds of years, causing harm to aquatic organisms and ecosystems. 6. Heavy metals. Industrial processes, mining operations, and improper waste disposal can release heavy metals like mercury, lead, and cadmium into water bodies. These toxic metals accumulate in aquatic organisms, posing risks to human health when consumed through the food chain. 7. Agricultural livestock waste. The improper handling and disposal of animal waste from livestock farming can contaminate water sources with excess nutrients, pathogens, and antibiotics. This pollution can lead to the degradation of water quality and harm aquatic life. 8. Thermal pollution. Discharge of heated water from power plants and industrial processes can cause thermal pollution. Elevated water temperatures disrupt aquatic ecosystems, leading to decreased oxygen levels and the loss of sensitive species. 9. Mining activities. Mining operations can release pollutants such as heavy metals, acids, and other chemicals into nearby water bodies. This contamination not only affects aquatic life but also poses risks to the health of communities relying on these water sources. 10. Urban stormwater runoff. Urban areas with extensive paved surfaces can contribute to water pollution through stormwater runoff. The runoff carries pollutants, including oil, heavy metals, and debris, into water bodies, causing contamination and habitat degradation. Addressing water pollution requires comprehensive efforts, including the implementation of effective pollution control measures, improved wastewater treatment systems, sustainable agricultural practices, and the reduction of plastic waste. It also involves promoting public awareness, enforcing regulations, and fostering international cooperation to protect water resources. By adopting sustainable practices and responsible management, we can mitigate the risks and protect the health and integrity of our water bodies for future generations.